Good morning. Went to a lovely sunrise. Had a bit of a walk this morning. Managed to get here. I haven't been here for about nearly 3 weeks now. Well, I've only just been calling in, bringing in a bit of wood to finish that build off. There's not much of any stakes left here now. This is going to be last build. And well, there is one or two people coming down. I'll pan you around. The teepee is still, it is bone dry in there, and I have had somebody come down and they've brought me some chestnuts down. I don't know how long they've really been here, but they was hung up there, which is all well and good. I appreciate that, but what I don't appreciate is that people has been coming down and started carving into trees. I mean, that's not a bad little carving actually, if it wanted down Camp Stupid on a tree. I mean, I don't like that kind of stuff. So if you are coming down, just just leave it as it is. And I'm going to use that as kitchen area again. I'm going to finish this. I've been bringing a few old lats down, and there's loads of timber at work just lately. It's a big job. Having a look at them, I mean, I've built an old shed out of the things like that. I hate to see them go to waste. They just go and skip. So this is going to be last build. I'm just going to do a bit of a raised floor on there. I've just put another couch down to finish it off. But I'm going to have a day and a night down here and see what happens. Well, I'm not going much of a bundle on this really. I don't know where I'm going to tarp it. But, I'll get it to lie down. I like my backrest back there. Oh shit! Tools. Yeah, not bad. I might just get a tarp over here for tonight and see how it goes. Well, the tarp that I was using last winter for the teepee, I used to get it from there, stretch it over to this tree. I've used for covering, and it fits perfect. Got some wood here for ventilation. If rain and heavy, just put that down. And inside, I'm going to get that a go tonight. It's a bit damp at the moment, that wood is there, but we'll get the air in now. Right, it's pheasant for dinner. I've had a few of them just lately. So I'm going to have 3 different feeds tonight. I'm going to have a pheasant stew with potatoes and mushrooms, peas and carrots. I'm just using the back legs for stew. And with breast I'm going to wrap one in bacon and cranberry sauce, and other breast I'm going to fry with some coconut oil and mushrooms. So I'll see what happens. Well, that's round 2. Pheasant, cranberry sauce. I have scoured the meat with this little neck of knife, and then I'm going to wrap it in bacon and get it on fire with stew. Well, in here I've got some coconut oil. It has been down here, so I'm going to add some pheasant breast. Ooh. That's sealing it. I could get loads more, but I'm not bothering because I'm going to get some mushrooms, potatoes and bacon in here. Well, that's what sizzling in the way. Pheasant and coconut oil and bacon, potatoes and mushrooms. Get some pie clips on. I'm just letting that stew just boil slow. I'm not going to be hungry. I've got the pheasant in bacon and cranberry, and that's all the potato there. So I'm going to scram. Well, the pheasant and bacon and coconut oil, yeah, it is different. No, the pheasant was done pretty well, like so. It's nice, the pheasant. That's like I say, coconut oil and quiet taste. I like the oak crumpet itself. And it's been left down there. It's McEwen's export. I'm just cooking them slow. This is only first course. And thanks to whoever brought chestnuts down. Quite nice they are. Still a bit hot actually. Well, that pheasant is just falling off that bone there. I'm going to add, it's all missed it up, I'm going to add a little bit, and these have been left down here, a little bit of thickener, gravy granules, and I'm going to put that back on for about 15 minutes. Well, here's course 2, and I'm getting in front of me centre here. This is pheasant wrapped in bacon and cranberry sauce. And that is lovely. A bit on that side. I'm going to get that for dinner now. Ooh. Second course. That is gorgeous. Well, I am podged after second course. Here's the pheasant stew. That is hot. That is red hot. Well, I'm going to force some of that stew down me and then chill out in the hammock. But what you can do is here, get a pikelet and sprinkle some in. It'll soak up gravy, and it can, if you catch them right, act like a bit of a dumpling. You can put them in while it's boiling up. That's quite nice, that is. Well, I'm pushed after 3-course dinner. That pheasant was sound. It is pretty quiet down here tonight. Road's pretty quiet. So I'm just going to chill out. Just chill out in this hammock and get head down soon. Like I say, it's not even 7 o'clock yet. Well, for dessert, it has got to be peanut butter pikelets or crumpets. Good morning. I'm just having a bit of a lie-in. It's quite nippy out there this morning. Well, today I'm going to hang around for a couple of hours and make a bit of a door for this soaked rain don't get in. So, but first, 5 minutes, get up, make some coffee. Well, it's getting chilly at mornings now, so it's about 9 o'clock. It's got a bit of a fire on, and I'm getting a boil on with little penny burners. I'll see in a bit. Well, I'm just making me centre brew, a little penny burner. More about that later. This is that camp we're looking last night. There's hardly out in PNS. Kitchen area. Just got a bit of a fire going. And this is where I was last night. I am going to put a door on here before I go with this little bit of tarp I've got here. Heavy tarp, I've had it years, it's been down here ages. I just put the rucksack on it last night. It was quite comfortable in there. It is getting cold in the morning now though. I don't know whether there'll be a frost. Wood lines are always last to get the frost. But I'm just going to get that brew, get this door on. Let's see what happens. Well, penny stoves, burners. I've got a subscriber, step away from the screens, because that was a couple of lads he's got. Made a few of these burners and asked me if I wanted to try a few, so they send me some up. One up. Yeah mate, yeah, I'll try them out. The ones that I have got, they're pretty old now. They're still working pretty well. But yeah, I'll give them a try out, no problem. I'll get in touch. I'm right behind with my comments at the moment. I am going to try and catch up this week. I've got about 3 videos worth, so I'll leave it at that and I'll be in touch. Nice one. Well, I don't know who brought chestnuts down, which is Sam. Well, it's that time where you've got to leave, so TP's all secure. We've got table and all that in it. Same as bed. That's all tied down. I have blindfolded the eye. I'll look after camp while I'm down here. I will unfold it when I leave. On this one, I had a comfortable night in there last night. It did get a bit cold this morning, about 5 o'clock, but I got up at 5 o'clock every morning anyway for work, so I stopped in bed till about 8. But, I've made a door for it, so I'm going to put that on before I leave. Yeah, time goes too quick. I love the sun coming out. And well, and if you're coming down, don't carve trees. You can bring chestnuts and that. But I'm loving it down here for winter, autumn. So I'll show you my new build when I've got a door on it. Well, there's my makeshift door. No water should get in it. This is just I can bring that out. Ventilation. You just put it back down there. Tied up. The same other side. Just flapped over. I have got another piece of tarp where I can patch this in next time I'm down here, which is over there. Just here. So I'll sort door out and patch it up then. So see you in a minute. Well, I'll release the eye. I ain't taking the money. So take a steady walk home. Always dead like carry back from stupid. I'm going to take me bag of rubbish and the rest of that pheasant stew. It was nice that was, so I'm going to not waste that. So anyway, till next time. Bye.